Hey there, I'm Apple Crider with Investing Simple. In this video, we're providing you with an in-depth tutorial on how to transfer your cryptocurrency from Webull over to Gemini. We're going to hop into my phone, show you step by step through the entire process. Now, a lot of investors get their initial exposure to cryptocurrencies through the Webull platform because they're already buying and selling their stocks there. They just decide, hey, I want to buy some Bitcoin, so I'm also going to do that on Webull. But they might realize pretty soon that Webull is pretty limiting in terms of their cryptocurrency offerings, in terms of not being able to transfer your cryptocurrency to an external hardware wallet, which is generally the safest way to keep your crypto. And then secondly, you're not able to earn any interest on your cryptocurrency as you are with a platform like Gemini. So that naturally makes people think, maybe I should transfer my crypto from Webull to a different platform like Gemini that's going to be a little bit more advanced. So if that's where you're at, let's dive into the process step by step. And the first step is to transfer your cryptocurrency out of the Webull platform. Let's dive into my phone. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. All right, so here we are in my phone. This is my Webull account. As you can see, I don't actually own any cryptocurrency in this account, but I'm going to show you exactly what to do if you do own crypto in your Webull account. You go to this magnifying glass here. You're going to search for Bitcoin. You can see it is right here. Bitcoin USD. You'll see this is the current price chart for Bitcoin, and what you're going to do is scroll down here. You're going to press the trade button, and then once you're on the trade screen, you're going to press sell. You're going to choose either a limit or a market sell order, and then you are just going to sell all of your Bitcoin, because you have to actually sell your Bitcoin to transfer it out of Webull. Like I said before, there's no way to transfer your cryptocurrency at this point directly out of Webull, so you do have to sell in order to initiate this transfer process. Now, in selling your cryptocurrency, there's likely going to be some tax consequences associated with this move, because if you sell an investment for a gain, there are going to be tax consequences of that. You're going to owe capital gains tax most likely on that investment gain. At the same time, if you're selling for a loss, you are likely going to get some tax benefits for that loss in terms of being able to write that off against either your gains or your income up to a certain threshold. All right, so once you've sold your cryptocurrency on Webull, the next step is to take those funds and move them to your bank account. So how you do that is you go to this middle guy on the bottom row here, you click on transfer, you'll press withdraw, and then you'll type in the amount of money that you want to actually withdraw from Webull. We'll just do a quick $1. We'll transfer from Webull to my bank. We'll press continue, prompting us with a quick security question here, so we'll answer this and be right back. All right, so now you can see that transfer is in process and that money is en route to my bank account. Now, the next step is going to be opening up an account with Gemini. So if you haven't done so already, we have a link down in the description below that's going to give you $10 worth of free Bitcoin when you do sign up for Gemini using that link. It also supports the channel, so we definitely appreciate if you do decide to use that link. During the sign up process, you're going to have to provide them with your identifying information, so things like your birthday, your social security number, likely a picture of your ID as well. They need to follow the KYC or know your customer rules, and so they need to collect all of this information to just verify that you are who you say you are and to report your gains that you might get in your portfolio for your taxes in the future. Now, on top of that, one thing we also highly recommend here at Investing Simple is using two-factor authentication on any account that you keep your funds, your stocks, your cryptocurrencies in. Make sure you have two-factor authentication turned on, because that's going to make it a lot harder for a hacker to get a hold of your information and potentially drain your entire account. So make sure you've got that turned on, and then we'll move on to the final step of the process. This is going to be transferring into Gemini, so we're going to dive back into my phone and show you exactly how to do that. All right, so here we are within the Gemini app, and what we need to do is take those funds that got transferred to our bank account and bring them into our Gemini account. So how we're going to do that is tap on this person icon in the upper right-hand corner. We are going to select deposit into Gemini. We're going to choose USD. And then we're going to pick a bank transfer in most cases. If you're trying to deposit tens of thousands of dollars into your Gemini account all at once, then you might have to use a wire transfer, but a bank transfer should work for most cases. So let's say we want to put that same $1 into our Gemini account. We'll say $1 USD. You'll select your bank account here. You'll press review, and then you'll just swipe to confirm that transfer. Once the funds are in your account, you can go to whatever cryptocurrency you want to purchase. So let's say we want to buy some Bitcoin here. We'll press buy. We'll say once, and we'll just put that same $1 into Bitcoins. So you'll just select your balance, which should be the amount of money that you transferred into your account up here. And you can see that my order is actually below the minimum quantity required to transact. So you have to transfer a little bit more than $1 into Gemini in order to trade, but for now I'm going to hold off on buying any Bitcoin myself. And once you got the Bitcoin in your account, you actually have three different options of what you want to do with it. So the first of which is to just leave it in there, not do anything, and just leave it in your Gemini account. That is generally not quite the preferred option, because you're not earning any interest, and it's generally the least safe way to store your cryptocurrency, okay? So if you want to be a little bit safer, what you can do is store your cryptocurrency on a hardware wallet. I'll put one of those on the screen right now so you can see, but basically this is a physical device that you can store your cryptocurrency on to prevent the risk of say, Gemini getting hacked and your crypto being lost. You keep it on this hardware device, and so if somebody doesn't have possession of the actual device, they won't be able to access your cryptocurrency. So that is generally a safer way to do it. If you want to find our top pick for the best hardware wallet, check the description below. We'll have a link to our favorite pick right there. So if you've got one of these devices and you actually wanted to move your cryptocurrency onto this device, here's exactly how you would do that. So in your Gemini app, you'll go to portfolio here. You'll select the crypto you want to move. So we'll just say we want to move some Bitcoin. We'll say we're going to withdraw the Bitcoin. We're going to give authentication for this. And then we're going to type in how much Bitcoin we actually want to withdraw. So let's say we want to withdraw 0.01 Bitcoin to a hardware wallet to store it there, okay? From here, we press continue. And now you're going to enter the destination address. This is very, very important because if you mess up this address at all, your cryptocurrency is going to be lost forever. So you need to make sure you get this address directly from your hardware wallet. You're going to copy and paste it. Don't try to type it yourself. You want to make sure, or you can use this QR code scanner here to actually scan it and just have it entered that way. But make sure that you don't send it to the wrong address, because if you do, there's absolutely nothing you can do and that crypto is gone forever. Now, the third option is to put it in an interest account. So Gemini actually offers interest accounts where you can earn interest on your cryptocurrency that is on the platform. And so here's exactly how to put your cryptocurrency into an interest account. So on this same portfolio screen here, you'll tap on the crypto you want to use. So we'll say Bitcoin. We're going to say we're going to transfer our trading balance. And let's say we want to transfer 0.005 Bitcoin, or about $269 into this interest-bearing account. We'll press continue. You're going to see that we're getting about 2.5% on our crypto, which is quite a bit higher than you're getting with any bank account these days. And we will just swipe to confirm that transaction. And now you can see that crypto has actually been moved to the interest account. It is going to start earning us interest in the process just for holding on to that Bitcoin, because what Gemini is doing is they're turning around and lending out that crypto to institutions and other people who want to borrow it. And so I'm getting a share of that interest. Kind of a similar model to the general banking model. So we'll press done, and you can see that that is now in my earn balance. So now that you have all your cryptocurrency moved on over to Gemini, the next thing you should do is check out this video over here where we provide a full comprehensive tutorial of the Gemini platform so that you understand how to actually use the thing and get as much out of it as possible. So make sure to check out that video, and we'll see you over there.